guys, they are out of mini brands. Oh, a puppet. Jojo Siwa. They have some slimy sand. Some kinetic sand. They have 2 boxes of these, but no mini brands. And they have a box up there, but no mini brands. They have some kinetic sand. Not a lot of fidgets. They have some flirt. We're gonna keep walking now to see if they have any fidgets. Ooh, look at this. That's cool. Can this be a fidget, guys? Maybe. This can probably be a fidget. They have real little shoes. I don't see any fidgets. They usually have like a fidget section. What is this? Wow, did you see any fidgets? No fidgets. They have a lot of Play-Doh. We found some scented Play-Doh. That's about it. Look at this. Nothing else.